In front of me is Oppo A95, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, select Recent next to App Notifications and click on the best option for you. In my case, Frequency. Now scroll down and tap on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by hitting the same now gray sweater. If you want to, you can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!